Namaste everyone. How are you guys doing?
Really good, yeah. How are you doing?
I'm also good. Okay, sit down in any comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om all together. Take a deep inhale. Join your both palms together. Rub your both palms. Apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on your whole body. And gently bow down your head towards God. Ask God to give us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste. Okay, so we have a new student today. Shushani ji.
Suhasini.
Suhasini ji, okay. Suhasini ji, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you doing, sir?
I am also good. So from how long you are doing yoga?
It's been since 2016-17, sir.
Okay, very nice. So you are doing 200 or 300?
200, sir.
Okay, very nice. Okay, then you know about Ashtanga. Have you ever done before Ashtanga?
I haven't done Ashtanga, but I used to I have taken few classes of power yoga.
Power yoga, okay. So this is different. This is Ashtanga, what we will gonna do in this class.
Okay.
And I will tell you, so you will also get it, okay?
Ji.
You can follow Heidi ji and Catherine ji.
Ji. I will.
Okay, so come in front of your mat, take 1 feet distance from your mat, stand up on your mat. So we are gonna start with sun salutation A of Ashtanga. Both feet together, knees together, come into Samasthiti, roll your shoulder, open your chest, chin parallel to the floor. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms by the side, join your both palms over your head. Look at your thumbs for Urdhastasana. Do exhale, bend forward with your hip joint for Uttanasana. Drop your both palms out of your both feet. Tridi inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, press your palms and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Keep your thighs lifted, roll your shoulder, open your chest. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Both feet open, your feet should be hip distance apart open, and you have to look at your navel point and keep raising your tailbone high towards the ceiling. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Look front, lengthen your spine. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Nava, inhale, come up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Lengthen your spine. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale. 2 exhale. 3 inhale, look front. 4 exhale, jump back. 5 inhale, Urdhmukha. 6 exhale, Adhomukha. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Asto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 4th round, Ekam, inhale. Urdhastasana. 2 exhale, Uttanasana. 3 inhale, Ardha-Uttanasana. 4 exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. 5 inhale, Urdhmukha. 6 exhale, Adhomukha. Hold. 1, keep looking at your navel point. Lift your tailbone high towards the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Asto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th and last round, Ekam, inhale. 2 exhale. 3 inhale, look front. 4 exhale, jump back. 5 inhale. 6 exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms over your head, come for the Utkatasana chair pose. Keep your knees bent, do not cross your knees with your toes. 2 exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3 inhale, look front. 4, press your palms, lift yourself up and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adhomukha. Sapta, lift your right leg up high in the air and bring your right leg between your both palms for Warrior A. Front leg 90, back feet 5 degrees in. Keep sinking with your pelvis. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adhomukha. Ekadasha, lift your left leg up, bring your left leg front for Warrior A. Exhale, again jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adhomukha. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale. Come for the chair pose. 2 exhale. 3 inhale. 4 exhale, jump back. 5 inhale. 6 exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front. Veerbhadrasana. Ashto, exhale, jump back. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adhomukha. Hold 1, 2, take deep inhale and exhale, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, third round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the Utkatasana chair pose. Do exhale, bend to the forward fold. 3, inhale, halfway look up. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior 8. Ashto, exhale, jump back. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees and jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale. Tue, exhale. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior 8. Ashto, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adhomukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back. Triyodasha, inhale. And Chaturdasha, exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Lift your right leg up high in the air. Now bend your right knee and touch your right knee on your right armpit into the plank position. Engage your core, tuck your tailbone in. Inhale, again take your right leg up high in the air. Exhale, bend your knee and bring your knee towards your right armpit or your right elbow. Flex your toes. Inhale again up. Exhale again, bring your knee towards your elbow. Inhale again up. 4, exhale again, knee to your elbow. Inhale up. 5, exhale again, bring your knee towards your elbow and hold there for 5 counts. 1, touch your thighs on your chest. 2, lift your leg up. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, drop your right leg down. Now change your leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up high in the air. And exhale, bring your left knee towards your left hand. Inhale again, take your leg up. 2, exhale, bend your knee down. Inhale again, leg up. 3, exhale, down. 4, inhale, up. Exhale, down. 5, inhale, up. Exhale, knee to your elbow and hold there for 5 counts. 1, Flex your ankle. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, take your left leg up high in the air. Exhale, drop your left leg down. Now change your leg again. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, bring your right knee towards your left armpit or your left elbow. Inhale again, take your leg up. Exhale, 2 down. Inhale again up. 3, exhale down. 4, inhale up. Exhale down. 5, inhale up. Exhale, bring your right knee towards your left armpit or your elbow and hold 1. Engage your core. 2, tailbone in, push your shoulder blades away. 3, 4, elevate your shoulders. And 5, inhale, take your leg up. Exhale, drop your leg down. Now lift your left leg up. And exhale, bring your left knee towards your right elbow or the armpit. Inhale up. 2, exhale. Inhale again up. 3, exhale. Inhale up. 4, exhale. Inhale up. 5, exhale and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, take your left leg up and drop your left leg down. Stay there for 5 counts. Relax your breath. Catch your breath again. Take a deep breath in, deep and long, and deep and long breath out. Just relax. Bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms for halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, go bend forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana, Utkat chair pose. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Now we'll do 5th and last round. Ekam, inhale again, come for the chair pose. 2, exhale, bend fully forward down. 3, inhale, look front. 4, exhale, jump back. 5, inhale, upward facing dog. 6, exhale, downward facing dog. 7, bring your right leg front for warrior A. 8, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. 9, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. 10, exhale, Adho Mukha. 11, bring your left leg front for warrior A. 12, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. 13, inhale. 14, exhale. Now come into the plank position and slightly lift your right feet off the floor. Now exhale, come into the Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Keep your right leg lifted. Exhale, downward facing dog. Do not touch your right feet on the floor. Second round again, come for the plank pose. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale to the downward facing dog. Third round again, come for the plank pose. Keep your right leg lifted. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 4, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 5th, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now drop your right leg and change your leg. Lift your left leg up. Again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale and exhale. Again, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Third, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Fourth, come for the plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Fifth plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale and exhale. Drop your leg down. Catch your breath again. Relax yourself. Downward facing dog. Suhasini ji, yes. Relax yourself. Deep inhale and exhale. Now bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms into Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up. For Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Do Kati Chakrasana, twist yourself from your thoracic. Okay, now we will do first pose of Ashtanga, Padangushtasana. Ekam, inhale, jump, open your legs, keep your both palms on your waist. Lift your chest up. Your leg should be shoulder width apart open, not this much, Catherine ji. Yes. Your leg should be shoulder width apart. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Grab your both big toes from your first two fingers. Inhale, look front and lengthen your spine. Exhale, again bend your both elbows. Look between your both legs and stretch your spine down. Hold 1, 2. सुहासिनी जी दोनों पैरों के बीच में देखिए. 3, पीछे. 4, yes, head down. And 5. 3, inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, place your both palms under your feet. Inhale, lift your chest up. Do exhale, again bend fully forward down for Padhastasana. Again, look between your both legs. Try to touch your belly on your thighs. Chest on your knees. Hold 1. Try to keep your knees straight. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, place your both palms on your waist. Inhale, 3D inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Now we'll do Utthit Trikonasana. Ekam, inhale, send your right leg back, right toe out, left toe in, both arms by the side. Do exhale, first stretch yourself, elevate your spine towards the right side, engage your side oblique, and then grab your right big toe from your first two fingers. Inhale, look up towards your left palm while Trikonasana. Look up towards your left palm. Now try to push your hip in and chest out. You can feel that your hip are pushing out. Just push them inside and open your chest as much as you can and hold there. 1, look towards your left palm. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. 3, inhale, come up. Chatwari, exhale, change your side. Now left toe out, right toe in. Now with your left finger, grab your left big toe and look towards your right hand. Inhale. Hold 1, 2. Again, push your hips in, chest out. 3. Your body should be in one line. 4 and 5. Exhale, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Now turn your right toe out, left toe in. Now we'll do Parivartit Trikonasana, revolved triangle pose. Keep your right palm on your waist and left arm over your head, stretch. Exhale, place your left palm out of your right feet. Inhale, right arm by the side. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tredi, inhale, come up, left toe out and right toe in. Now, Chatwari, exhale, place your right palm out of your left feet and left arm over your head up. Keep looking at your left palm and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, Pancha, inhale, come up, stepping your right foot front back to the Samasthiti. Shake your legs. And now we'll do Parshkon, Utthit Parshkonasana. Ekam, inhale, send your right leg back, bend your right knee at 90 degree, right toe out, left toe in. Raise your both arms by the side. Sidewise, ADG sidewise, like this, look here. Right side and left side like this. Exhale, drop your right elbow on your right knee and left arm over your head, stretch properly and keep sinking with your pelvis down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, Tredi, inhale, come up. Now left toe out, right toe in. Chatwari, exhale, drop your left elbow on your left knee. If you can drop your left palm out of your left feet, you can also drop there. Inhale, left arm over your head, stretch front. Not up, stretch your arm front. And keep pushing your hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, Pancha, inhale again, come up. Now turn your right toe out and left toe in. Bend your right leg at the 90. Now place your left elbow on your right knee. You can make Namaste or you can grab your fingers behind your back if you can. Again, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, Tredi, inhale, come up. Now change your side. Exhale, bend to the left side, drop your right elbow on out of your left knee, make Namaste again. Hold 1. If you can open your hands, just open your hands and twist yourself more. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down, Pancha, inhale, come up. Stepping your right foot front back to the Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana, A, B, C, and D. Send your right leg back, both toes front. Both toes front, toes in and heel out. Try to do your toes in, heel out. Keep your both palms on your waist. Lift your chest up, look up. Push your both elbows closer to each other. Contract your shoulder blades. Catherine ji, both toes front, be one side. Okay, like this. This, you have to do this one. Parasarita Padottanasana. So open your legs 4 feet apart. Yes. Exhale, bend fully forward down and drop your both palms between your both feet. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Come on your fingertip. Exhale, bend fully forward down and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tredi, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Now we will do Parasarita Padottanasana B. Ekam, inhale, stretch your both arms by the side. Doe, exhale, drop your both palms on your waist and lift your chest up. Treni, exhale, bend fully forward down and try to touch your crown head on the mat. Touch your crown head and hold. Look between your both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, all the way come up. Now we'll do Parasarita Padottanasana C. Ekam, inhale, again raise your both arms by the side. Doe, exhale, interlace your fingers behind your back and lift your chest up. Treni, exhale, bend fully forward down. Try to touch your crown head again on the mat and pull your shoulders down as much as you can. Hold. 1, 2, extend your shoulder blades. 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, release your both palms on the waist. Now we will do Parasarita Padottanasana D. Ekam, inhale, lift your chest up. Doe, exhale, bend fully forward down. Grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, lift your spine into halfway look up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend fully forward down and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chatwari, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Pancha, inhale, all the way come up. Stepping your right foot front back to the Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your thighs. Now we'll do Parshvottanasana, pyramid pose. Ekam, inhale, send your right leg back, right toe out, left toe in. Make Namaste behind your back. Square your hips to the right side. Doe, exhale, bend down. Try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and chin on your shin. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Treni, inhale, all the way come up. Chatwari, exhale, bend to the left side. Left toe out, right toe in. Again, hold to the left side for 5 counts. 1, 2, elevate your spine to downwards. 3, 4, and 5. Pancha, inhale, all the way come up. Stepping your right foot front back to the Samasthiti. Release your hand. Shake your hands, shake your legs. Now we'll do Utthita Hastapad Angushtasana. Bend your right leg at the knee. Grab your right big toe from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, lift your chest up. Doe, exhale, bend your head, bend your chin towards your shin bone and hold there for 5 counts. Try to touch your chin on your shin. 1, 2, 3, balance on your left feet, both knees straight. 4, and 5. Treni, inhale, again, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, take your right leg towards the right side. Look left side. Vam Parshvadrishti. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pancha, inhale, bring your right leg front. Shut, exhale, try to touch your chin on your shin. Sapta, release your leg for Ekpadasana. Hold your leg in the air. 1, release your leg, both palms on the waist. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, release your leg down. Shake your leg. Now we'll change our leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee, grab your left big toe, Ashto. Ashto, inhale, straight your knee, lift your chest up. Nava, exhale, try to touch your chin on your sin and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dasha, exhale, straight your knee. Ekadasha, take your left leg towards the left side, look right side. Dakshina Parshudrishti. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dwadasha, inhale, bring your left leg front. Triyodasha, exhale, try to touch your chin on your sin. Chaturdasha, exhale, release your leg for Ekpadasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, release your leg, shake your leg. Now we will do Ardha Baddha Padamuttanasana. Bend your right leg on your left top of the thigh and grab your right big toe behind your back with your right hand. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, very slowly, bend forward towards your left leg. Place your left palm out of your left feet. Try to keep your balance on your left feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, release your hand and release your leg. Now change your leg. Now bend your left leg on right top of the thigh and grab your left big toe with your left hand behind your back. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale again, bend down very slowly and place your right arm out of your right feet and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. Come for the Urdhva Hastasana. 2, exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Shat, exhale, Adho-mukha. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front, come for the Utkatasana, chair pose. Hold into chair pose. 1, 2, keep your knees back from your toes. 3, 4, and 5. Press your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up and jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho-mukha. Ekadasha, Sapta, bring your right leg front for Warrior A. Hold into Warrior A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left toe out, right toe in. Turn yourself to the left side for Warrior A. Left toe out, right toe in. Turn kariye left ke liye. Warrior A, left side kariye, same, yes. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Warrior B, left side only. Just open your hands, look towards your left hand and hold. 1, 2, keep your knees bent at 90. 3, 4, 5. Now right toe out, left toe in. Again, come for Warrior B to the left right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now from here, sitting series will be started. That we will do tomorrow. So you just bend, sit in any comfortable pose, whichever you want. Relax yourself for a few breaths. And after that, lay down on your back. We will do some counter poses. for our forward bend, what we have done today. Lay down on your back. Bend your both knees, grab your both ankles and make bridge pose. Bridge pose. Put your feet down, Hiti. Yes. Now lift your hips up, come for the bridge pose. Exhale, drop your hip down. Inhale again, lift your hips up. Exhale, drop your hip down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale again up. Exhale down. Fifth and last time, inhale, lift and hold there for 3 counts. 1. Keep pushing your hip up. 2. And 3. Exhale, drop your hip down. Now place your both palms beside of your both ear and lift yourself up for the wheel pose. And hold there for 5 counts. 1. Keep pushing your thoracic out. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Drop your hip down. Straight your legs. Relax into Shavasana. Now turn yourself to the right side. Press with your left hand and sit in any comfortable position. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your spine straight. Now we'll chant 1 time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together, rub your both palms. Apply on your eyes, apply on your face, apply on your whole body. And gently make Namaste and bow down your head towards God. And thank God for giving us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste to all. If you have any question, any queries, you can ask me. Suhasini, you have to turn your mic on.
Sir, I cannot do Chaturanga Dandasana.
Yeah, because you didn't. Yeah, because you didn't have that strength in your shoulder, arms here. So you have to practice. So you have to practice first push-ups. You know.
I cannot do push-ups too.
You can use knees for push-ups.
Ji.
I can see one thing. When a person have more flexibility in the body, they in their body they have lack of stability due to excessive amount of flexibility. You are lacking that stability in your body. You have to work on your strength more. So try doing some like push-ups and all, pull-ups if you can do.
Pull-up, I cannot even go near to that. Push-up, yeah. I can attempt first.
Okay. So push-ups, you can try this one. Okay. If you cannot do this one push-ups, this one, you can bend your knees and just try this one in starting. If you will achieve this, then you will start doing, then you will keep off knees from the mat and then you can try the normal one.
Any other exercises for arm strength?
Arm strength? Sorry?
Is there any other asanas for particular asanas for arm strength?
So if you will continue with Ashtanga, there are a lot of jumps front and jumps back. We will do tomorrow. If you will try that, you will obviously find the gain or strength in your arms.
And one more thing, I have rheumatoid arthritis. It is well managed, but sometimes I do get pain, especially in wrist when I do push-ups or anything
Yeah.
involves wrist. So
In 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 sta- yeah. Okay, finish your question.
when I do any arm strengthening asanas or anything, first the problem comes in the wrist. So
Rest.
how can I
It
manage that? It is my
it's
mental arthritis
yeah.
is actually very well managed with
Okay.
medications and yoga practice and all, but I do get pain.
Okay. So you will have pain in your wrist until unless you will find the strength. Even in starting, if you will like do push-ups and all, you will find the pain in your wrist. But you can reduce that pain by putting all the weight, not only in this your lower palm, but to transfer your weight on your fingers properly. So if you will transfer the weight properly on your hands, because usually in starting, what people do, they just lift the fingers like this and they just try to push all the weight on their this lower palm. If you will do chaturanga and all, we
Mhm.
can just put all the weight here. But try to just press your fingers like this. Try
Mhm.
like this. You can use your fingers properly, push it comfortably. So you will distribute all the weight equally on your palm. So you will not feel that pain in your wrist, but slightly it will happen because you do not have that strength to like hold the weight on your hands. But if you will gain that strength so slowly and regularly, the pain will go.
Okay.
Okay, then thank you so much. Namaste. See you tomorrow, everybody. Take care.